How do I turn my R70 Smart Mop and Vacuum into a powerful handheld stick vacuum? Hey, I'm Josh from Riccar, and we're gonna show you how to convert this into a great stick vacuum. All you're gonna wanna do is remove the handheld unit. Take the wand off the stand here. We've got the powered tool attached. We're gonna attach it right here. This works in two modes, auto and max. So if you just take it and set it up like it is and you turn it on, you're gonna start in auto and then you'll go to max if you wanna boost it. If you come from the handheld unit and you're already in like the turbo mode, it will drop back down to max because this only works in two modes, auto and max. So now we've got it configured, we're ready to use it as a stick vacuum. So I just turned the unit off and you heard it keep running for a few seconds. That boost is actually a great thing. It keeps running for a few seconds, running all the debris up into the tank so it doesn't fall back out when you turn the unit off. Great product, great powerful stick vacuum that you have when you use it with your R70. Happy vacuuming.